Hey guys, welcome back to Airstream of Buffalo. I got a really special one today. So this is going to be a very brief walkthrough, not very brief, but this is going to be a brief walkthrough on a really cool piece of inventory I just took in on trade. This is going to be a 2021 Airstream Classic 33 FB Queen. Now, the story behind this. I had a client a while back, they bought a Pottery Barn and this Classic at the exact same time. This has sat in storage, heated storage the entire time. This has never been used. It's 2025 right now, never been used, sat in storage the entire time. So it is almost brand new, right? So we'll just do a quick walk around on it. If you have any questions, if you want to come in and schedule an appointment with me to come see it in person, my number is going to be 716-748-5565. All right, let's get started. Around the front, you're going to have your classic stainless steel rock guards. You're going to have your solar guards as well, and that's going to be on your full panoramic up front. Nice, beautiful propane shroud with your power jack with light and level. You're going to have plenty of exterior storage up front here on the Classic. You're going to have your liquid propane port right here. So if you want to hook up your grill, you can. That's going to be right there. You're going to have your spare tire underneath as well. And that's going to have access from the other side. On a Classic, there's no real options, okay? So in 2021, they switched over to doing a composite floor. So this is going to have a full composite floor that we have all grown to love. And really just, it's a way better option than previous. You're gonna have your window awnings. Those are standard. There's no options, again, like I said, on a Classic. Everything is what it is. Instead of having plastic exterior doors, you are gonna have stainless steel. You're gonna have a smart plug as well on the outside. You're gonna have your torsion axles with extra shocks for plenty of nice, easy, smooth ride as well. You're gonna have your pressure regulated city water inlet as well as black tank flush. All of the seals on here on the back end are of course going to be that closed cell foam gaskets. That way you're not getting any streaks that run down from the butyl putty or anything like that. Every single window on here that opens is going to have a rain gutter that goes over the top. Now that's going to be an extruded aluminum. They make that at the Airstream factory, as well as the windows. Everything is made by Airstream. Absolutely great coach. On the outside here, you're going to have your coax setups. You're going to have your dump valves underneath here with locks on it for travel. I mean, it's never been used. You got your light as well if you have to do it at nighttime. Absolutely gorgeous. Coming around the back, you are going to have your standard rear bumper with wet storage in there, as well as your beautiful shiny bumper. Another little spot, they said, hey, we can throw some storage in here. Let's do it. And of course, your cast aluminum housings for your lights. Perfect, beautiful, dual-sided lights. Running lights, everything's gonna be LED on this. Power awning on this side. You are gonna have an exterior LED light for when your awning is out at night. You have plenty of light to hang out outside. Coming on the inside, we're gonna first go and take a look in the bedroom. Now this is going to be a Queen model, okay? So it's really cool. Come on, take a peek. You're gonna have saloon style doors that slide to either side, pocket doors. Inside the bedroom, again, never been slept on. Inside the bedroom, lots of usable space. It is going to be a powered bed, so if you want to sleep with your head up a little bit, you can, or if you want to sleep flat out, you can. If it's easier to walk around the bed, you can have it in the up position. Shaker style overhead cabinetry, right, with lights. So as soon as that door is open, the light will turn on, and that'll be on both sides, right? Look at that, stuff is still in the box. That's crazy. Accent lighting on top really makes it just a very comfortable, homey feel into the bedroom. You know, you got all of this extra valances on the wall. You have your day shades and your night shades. The handles on these are a lot better than those smaller handles in some of the other models. They're just easier to use, easier to manipulate. It's a nice, comfortable, ergonomic feel. You do have sleep mode here, or onboard mode. You can control your lights all based off of here. You can turn your vent. You open up the vent and turn on the fan, all from right there. But also under here as well, so you can do that from the comfort of laying in your bed. Coming back, we are going to step into the living space, the kitchen space. This is where all the business is going to be done, okay? Power table, adjustable. So a lot of people in a Classic, they can live in this thing for forever. So even though this table does come down to drop into a bed, if you're working or something like that and you just want to have your laptop on there and you want it a little bit lower, you can have it a little bit lower and adjust the height of the table for your preference. You are going to have a pretty large fridge. This is going to be a 12-volt Norcold fridge. Again, this thing has never been used, so I apologize about the stuff that's in the fridge there. But that all comes with it. Nice pantry space, plenty of room for your spices, any dry goods or anything like that that you're bringing with you. Overhead storage in there as well. And then even more storage up and over that fridge. Okay, coming back and around, one of the things you're going to notice in here is this solid surface Corian countertops is going to be throughout the entire trailer. Again, this Airstream Classic is made with no optional features. What you see is what you get. One of the things that you can do, instead of having an oven here, is you'll have this extra storage, okay? So instead of having the oven, you get 2 drawers and then a nice big pot and pan drawer underneath. You are going to have a 3-burner cooktop. This is going to be your convection microwave. So inside, it's going to act like a convection oven, you know, air fryer. You're able to cook in there. You do need to be hooked up to either shore power, or if you wanted to upgrade your battery system, you can do that on here. Overhead, lots of storage up overhead. Again, with that soft white, the shaker style cabinetry really modernizes it and brings it all together. Moving back into the entertainment system area, you have a work desk here. You've got a nice, beautiful, comfortable couch with power footrests. Again, that Corian countertop is going to be throughout the entire thing. So even on your flip down little cup holder here, you have that Corian countertop. My favorite part of a 33-foot Airstream travel trailer is the bathroom. So first thing you're going to notice as you come into this bathroom is going to be this massive wardrobe. Now this wardrobe is going to be large enough for everybody and all of their clothes. It's going to be cedar lined. It's absolutely just a nice premium wardrobe for you. Coming in, you are going to have your bowl type wash basin on your sink with Corian countertops. You're also going to see these little cutouts behind everything. That is going to be for your radiant heat. So that's going to work off of a glycol solution, kind of like a radiator in a house. So instead of having that propane furnace dry air, you're going to have a shield of warm air that goes up and around every single orifice of the trailer. To the left, you're going to see a towel rack right there above the toilet. That towel rack is going to be heated for you. So when you get out of the shower, you got a nice warm towel, right? And then the shower itself here is huge. Now I'm 6 foot. You can see in some of my other videos, like I'm not a small guy and like I fit in the showers, but this is plenty of space. I'm moving around, I'm comfortable, I'm happy. This shower, this bathroom is really designed for everybody that once kind of had a motorhome, right? They're used to that nice big shower. They want to get into something that's easier to use, doesn't have to take up, 50 feet at a campground or wherever you're going. That bathroom, absolutely gorgeous. Guys, 2021 Airstream Classic 33 front bed queen. Again, it has never been used. If you are interested, I'm selling it for $129,999 right now. Give me a call, 716-748-5565. Thanks.